Time and material policies. Our T&M pricing is a well thought out system focused on being fair to you, as opposed to the general practices in this business. We do not look at your house in order to decide how much we will charge for small work. Our rates are always the same for smaller jobs, no matter how wonderful your castle looks. Probably that's why we serve many movie stars and high-end homes. Like you already know, we are a construction company that also provides professionals of every construction trade to perform smaller jobs. Pricing for work estimated to cost less than $3,000 is always based on the time that the job takes and the specialties required. You also have to pay for or reimburse us for all expenditures, fees, materials, and equipment rentals used on your job or for your job. The most common construction trades are considered handyman rates and will be charged as such. We have professionals of every construction trade to assist you in the completion of any remodel, repair, addition, installation, and maintenance projects. This is one of the reasons why we charge a fair hourly rate under market for services performed by highly skilled professionals. Our craftsmen will perform an amazing job. Therefore, you will be 100% satisfied for a fair price. Choose the perfect option for you. For remodels and other construction work that is expected to take more than 3 days of work and cost more than $3,000, we will need to do an assessment and give you an estimate. Book a paid assessment here, check out the link below. Or simply give us a call and we may be able to give you an idea of prices over the phone, so you see if it is within your budget. If you prefer to do it online, book a free consultation by clicking the Booking Now tab. For small work, check the charts below and book an option ready to get the work done. We will handle it from there. These are the prices listed on the chart in this page. $150 for the first hour and $75 per employee for handyman work. There is a minimum charge of $150 for the first hour as a service charge. And you understand how hourly rates work? One worker working for 1 hour equals 1 labor hour. 2 workers working for 1 hour equals 2 labor hours. And 2 workers working for 2 hours equals 4 labor hours, and so on. Some people get confused with that. In most cases, we will need a work agreement or a detailed contract, especially under the following conditions. Number 1, for jobs estimated for more than $3,000, we need a work agreement. Number 2, for work that is expected to take more than 3 days of labor. Number 3, work that requires more than 2 guys. For these 3 cases, we will need to assess and give you a written estimate. Book a paid assessment by clicking on the link that you can find in this page. When you need it, we will also handle all the permits and red tape, obviously for a fee or as part of a work agreement. Our professionals can handle every construction trade. You deserve the best general contractor. You deserve us. We have professionals of every construction trade to assist you in the completion of any construction, repair, remodel, additions, installations, and maintenance projects. That's one of the reasons why we charge a fair hourly rate under market for services performed by highly skilled professionals. Go ahead, book either a free consultation or a paid job assessment or a ready-to-work appointment. I will make sure to help you decide how to go from there. Just choose one of the options and book an appointment. You will be glad you did.